Common Verbs in Persian, Part 3. Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have the Part 3 of Common Verbs in Persian. If you want to watch Part 1 and 2, you can check the description, or also you can go on Learn Persian with Asal channel on the playlist of Common Verbs and watch all the videos. Today we are going to introduce you another 5 common verbs with examples. These examples are the examples and sentences that you use in daily conversations. So you can use them in your conversation and improve your speaking skill. Okay, let's start. زنگ زدن زنگ زدن زنگ زدن to call. Present stem is زن and the past stem is زد. زنگ زدن is a compound verb. I have talked about compound verb in this video, in the part 1 of common Persian verbs. So if you don't know how to conjugate them and what are these, you can check this video first and come back here. Examples. زنگ بزن از دکتر وقت بگیر. زنگ بزن از دکتر وقت بگیر. زنگ بزن از دکتر وقت بگیر. بهش زنگ زدم ولی جواب نداد. بهش زنگ زدم ولی جواب نداد. بهش زنگ زدم ولی جواب نداد. جویدن 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 to chew. Present stem is جو and the past stem is جوید. سر کلاس آدامس نجو. سر کلاس آدامس نجو. سر کلاس آدامس نجو. دندونم درد میکنه. نمیتونم غذا رو خوب بجوم. دندونم درد میکنه. نمیتونم غذا رو خوب بجوم. دندونم درد میکنه. نمیتونم غذا رو خوب بجوم. Please note that in spoken Persian, we usually say بجوم. بجوم, not بجوم. But you can use these two pronunciation. It's up to you, but usually it's more common that you say دندونم درد میکنه. نمیتونم غذا رو خوب بجوم. Okay. بجوم or بجوم. تمیز کردن تمیز کردن تمیز کردن to clean. This is a compound verb. Why? Because it consists of 2 words, تمیز and a simple verb کردن. The present stem is کن and the past stem is کرد. امروز باید خونه رو تمیز کنم. امروز باید خونه رو تمیز کنم. امروز باید خونه رو تمیز کنم. Please note that in Persian the house means خونه. Okay, in spoken Persian we say خونه. In a formal or academic writing we say خانه. But in spoken we say خونه. But when you want to say خونه رو, and رو is the informal pronunciation of را. No? So خونه را or خانه را is a formal way. In a spoken way we say خونه رو. But when you want to speak fast, you don't say خونه رو. Okay, خونه رو is not very easy to pronounce. Okay, so when we want to speak fast, we say خونه رو. خونه رو. Okay, خونه, not خونه رو. Okay, so one more time. امروز باید خونه رو تمیز کنم. اتاق تو تمیز کردی؟ اتاقت رو تمیز کردی؟ اتاق تو تمیز کردی؟ And remember that when we want to say اتاقت رو, when we want to speak fast, we say اتاق تو. اتاق تو. Not اتاقت رو. اتاق تو تمیز کردی؟ بستن. 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 To close. Present stem is band. And past stem is bast. هوا سرده. پنجره رو ببند لطفاً. هوا سرده. پنجره رو ببند لطفاً. هوا سرده. پنجره رو ببند لطفاً. Remember that I talked about خونه رو. Okay, we say خونه. But in spoken Persian, when we speak fast, we say خونه رو. Okay, this is true about پنجره. پنجره, window. Okay, it is پنجره. But when we want to speak fast and when we want to say پنجره رو, it will be پنجره رو. پنجره رو ببند. هوا سرده. پنجره رو ببند لطفاً. کمربندت رو بستی؟ کمربندت رو بستی؟ کمربندت رو بستی؟ کمربندت رو بستی؟ Also here, when we want to speak fast, we don't say کمربندت رو. We say کمربندتو. کمربندتو بستی? And the last verb for this part is آمدن. 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 To come. In spoken Persian, we say اومدن. اومدن. Present stem is آ. And the past stem is آمد. Or in spoken Persian, اومد. کی میای. کی میای. In spoken Persian, we say میای, not میایی. میایی is not very comfortable when you want to speak fast. So you say میای. کی میای. کی میای. کی میای. الان میام. چند لحظه صبر کن. الان میام. چند لحظه صبر کن. الان میام. چند لحظه صبر کن. And note that in spoken Persian, when you want to speak fast, you don't say صبر. صبر کن. Okay, you say صبر کن. چند لحظه صبر کن. Okay, we omit the letter ر in spoken Persian when you want to speak fast. الان میام. چند لحظه صبر کن. Okay guys, that was the part 3 of common Persian verbs, part 3. If you want to support my content, please subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal's channel and like the video and write your opinions. If you want me to create a specific video about a specific subject, don't hesitate to write in comments, or if you have any questions, ask them in comments. I will answer you as soon as possible. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.